Hello friends, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. This is a message for all our friends and customers. I want you to look at this picture that I'm going to put on the video. Now that you had the chance to look at the picture, I want to tell you that things like this is what makes our day. Seeing this funny, friendly, loving message makes our day, makes my day, because we don't get a lot of feedbacks from every customer that we do, and that's okay. We work for a lot of you, and thank you for doing business with us. But I want you to see that a lot of you are actually my friends, and I don't get to work for you, but I want you to know that when one of our guys, one of our technicians come to your home, they will make sure that you're happy. This is what happened. Another tech went out, did the cleaning, and this is how happy the customer ended up. Thank you so much for that note. We really appreciate that. Bye.